Welcome to the inauguration of Fairfax County's 12th Urban County Board of Supervisors, Fairfax County's constitutional officers, and the Northern Virginia Soil and Water Conservation District Directors. Tonight we have the honor of seeing our democratic process come full circle. The individuals you have elected to guide the future of Fairfax County will take the oath of office to serve you for the next 4 years.
Our residents and our business leaders appreciate that during these challenging times, Fairfax County has developed and improved upon a culture that is unique to us. For the first time anyone can recall, all 10 members of the Board of Supervisors have been re-elected. I see this as a vote of confidence in the leadership and direction of Fairfax County. I am committed to continuing our efforts toward fostering a strong sense of community in Fairfax County and in maintaining the solid fiscal stewardship needed to protect and enhance the quality of life our residents value.